Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can make Shopify store password protected. So first of all, you will have to click on this sales channel, and here you will have to go to online store, and here on this screen you will have to click on preferences, and here you can scroll down. If you want to run on the password, then you can check mark this restrict access to visitor with the password, and here you can enter the password and then you can click on save. Now let's go to incognito tab and type your domain name over here. Here you can see that the store is no password protected and the viewer can enter password to see the website. So we'll type 1234 as the password, press enter, and now we can see the website. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching the video. Like this video and comment on the video so my video will be reached to more viewers. Subscribe to my channel. See you next time.